This is a Land Cruiser 300 series, and if you want to know the manual way to get into the boot, watch this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2023 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series, and this is the GLX model. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to manually open the boot. Now, like most cars, this car has an electronic solenoid which unlocks the locking mechanism to the boot, and that's great until the battery's flat or the mechanism has a fault. So they always build in a bit of a fail-safe so you can actually get into the boot. Now this does mean you have to get into the rest of the car first, but still, nevertheless, it's the way to get into the boot if it is broken or you have a flat battery. Now we are going to need some tools to do this. We're going to need quite a small flat screwdriver and a number 1 Phillips screwdriver as well. So first off, we'll take the small screwdriver and just look up here. So you've got the locking mechanism just there, and then we've got this small square window there. So we're going to go ahead and put our flat screwdriver in and just pop that open like that, and that allows us to get into this window here. Now you'll actually see that there is a white nylon piece there with a small Phillips screw in the middle, and that's what we're going to use our small Phillips screwdriver to undo. Now you only need to undo this about half a turn. That should be enough. And then what we do is we can actually move that piece out of the way. So you just flip it down. A bit hard to do one-handed, but there you go, that has now moved out of the way. So you should be able to see that now on the video. Now the tricky part is just inside there is another bit of metal. It's just a metal tab, and we're just going to stick a screwdriver in there and just to flick that. So just to show you it working, we'll operate the latch. So that is now locked. Now from inside the car you would get your screwdriver from the boot and you just go click, and now you'll actually see, and you would have heard, the latch has now opened. Just to show you that again, latch should be locked. Your screwdriver in there, and then that's it. And once you're finished, you just pop that piece of nylon back. We get our small Phillips screwdriver, tighten it up again just about half a turn, get the small window, pop that back up, and then that's it. That's the manual way to open the boot on a Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series from 2023. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos, and subscribe to my channel.